Hello, welcome back to another video. And today's video we are going to be sublimating on neoprene car coasters. So if you're looking for a project that's going to be pretty good for maybe the summer, these would be cute gifts to put in maybe a Mother's Day basket or a teacher's basket, or even just to sell at your events this summer. These coasters might be a good fit for you. So stick around. Okie doke. So first things first, with this, oops, let me get it straight here. With this project, like I said, we're doing the car coasters, and these are the soft flexible ones. These coasters they're right at about a little over 1/4 of an inch thick. You can see that, the thickness, and it has the rubbery neoprene on the back, and then of course the polyester on the front, so that we can actually sublimate on it. And they measure just at about 2.75 inches. And they have the little finger groove in them. So these would be easy to put in and out of your car cup holders. And it probably fit most cup holders. So yeah, so this is what we're going to be doing today. These coasters were provided to me by CJ My Home. It is they're available on Amazon, and I am going to put the link to the company on my video, so it'll be in the description. Okay, let's get started. I am going to preheat my heat press to 385 Fahrenheit, and I'm going to press these for 1 minute on kind of a medium pressure. I have already created some transfers with my sublimation printer, and I did use the larger Epson printer that I have, the Epson 570. The images that I got came from Creative Fabrica, and I will leave a link to that as well in the description. Okay, so now that the heat press is heating up, the first thing I'm going to do is use my lint roller just to make sure I don't have any lint on these. If you know, with sublimation, when you're applying heat, if there's any little lint on it or anything, you'll get those little telltale blue or black specks, and we don't want that. So I've gone ahead and used my lint roller. Doesn't take long to do. And then I will preheat these for only about maybe 15-20 seconds, just in case there's any additional moisture that needs to come out. And then we will put our transfers on and press. It does not take a long time for this project, so you can do quite a bit of these even on a smaller heat press. I'm doing them, of course, on the big press because this is the only one that I have out right now. Okay, let me grab another sheet to put on top, and we will go ahead and pre-press. Okay, I have already preheated these, and I am ready to apply our transfers. For the transfers, I've sprayed them lightly with this spray right here. It's the 66 spray adhesive, and it just allows the transfers to stick a little bit better without using transfer tape. When you use something like this, sometimes the transfer tape doesn't hold as well. All you do is set it down over your image. I went ahead and put black lines around my image so that I could make sure that I had the entire image in the side of the transfer, and so that I could see it. You don't have to put a line around your image, like there's not one around here. Okay, and let's see, how did I do this? I think I did it this way. When I'm doing the best teacher one, I try to make sure that they're going to be set up basically the same, because they'll be sitting probably 2 in a car. Okay, that's that set. It's going to be easier on this set because this is just some random bright colors I thought would be cute. Let's say it's a 90s design. I don't know. Well, let's see. And with any of the neoprene that you do want to make sure that you have it ventilated, just like the mouse pads. It does have a slight odor when you press, even when you pre-press, so that if that bothers you, for sure have a fan going and maybe open a window. I normally do both for just about everything that I do when I'm sublimating, especially if I have a lot to do. Okay, are we here? We are. Okay, I have all of my transfers on top. Am I in a good view here? And we're going to now press for a minute at 385 degrees again. And we are going to use a medium to heavy pressure. And I will be back. While we are waiting on this to finish up, I will go ahead and remind you that I will have affiliate links in the description, and I'll also pin them at the top of the comments, so that if you want to give these a try, you can go ahead and click on it. When you use our affiliate links, we do get a little bit back, and it doesn't cost you anything in additional, but I do appreciate your using them. And if you are new to this channel, I would certainly appreciate it, excuse me, if you would like and subscribe, because that helps out the channel as well. And certainly comment. That helps out more than you know. I try to do sublimation videos at least once or twice a week. Offer some good information, especially for those of you that are just starting out. And this is probably going to be one of the easiest projects that you can do. And also a really good money maker. This is so cute. Okay. Okay. Oh, hot. Now these are pretty hot, so. And these are thick too. Okay. Best teacher. Is that right? Okay. They're kind of soft too, so I like these. And then, of course, here's the other one. So, for a really quick project, and maybe giving a gift for the end of the year for your teacher or your mom, or even maybe a new graduate to go along with those new car keys, this might just be something that you would like to try. I do want to thank again the sponsor of this video. It is CJ My Home, and they are found on Amazon. So if you like it, go ahead and grab you a set. You'll have a lot of fun with them. I believe they come in, it's either 100 or 150 count. So you can do quite a bit of them for what the cost is. It's pretty reasonable. Thanks again for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video.